Hey Pisces, welcome back to Sophiamonay Tarot. I'm just here to do some quick messages for what your love interest wants to say to you, okay? Divine Spirit, Holy Spirit, for Pisces. What is this person wanting to say to Pisces? The person that is romantically interested in them. We have the Ten of Wands, okay? We have the Temperance for Pisces. What is this person wanting to say? The Six of Wands, okay? The Hermit. We have the King of Wands. We have the Nine of Wands. Wow, this person is really struggling. Whoever this is, they have been waiting. They have been struggling to come in. Maybe they think about coming in and then they talk themselves out of it. They think about saying to you, you know, how they feel, and then they go back into hermit mode. And then they want to come in here with the King of Wands because they feel like you could be slipping away from them, or they feel like with the Nine of Wands, if I stay guarded, I'm never going to get my Pisces. So I feel like this person has been very weighed down. They want to let you know, like, I've been carrying this burden. Ten of Wands could be a fire sign because there's lots of wand energy, or this person just has a lot of energy that they're dealing with. I feel like trying to temper out their emotions, their feelings with that Temperance card. Could be a Sag or a Virgo coming through. But with that Six of Wands, it's like, I want to come in, but then they go back into hermit mode. So I feel like this person may just struggle with confidence, okay? Confidence may be an issue with this person. Why are they burdened? What is the Ten of Wands? What is this person wanting to say to Pisces? Ten of Wands. The Knight of Swords, yeah, burden about coming in to communicate my feelings toward Pisces. Queen of Cups. What is this Temperance? What is this waiting? Ten of Swords. Okay. Nine of Cups. They could be wanting to heal something with you, okay? And wanting to get over the betrayal of something. This person could have stabbed you in the back. This person could have done something to betray your trust, is what I'm feeling. And I feel like they want to heal it. And they possibly could have been giving you time or wanting to spend time apart to give the both of you like time to think over things or time to breathe. What is that Six of Wands? What is this person wanting to say? Yeah, Tower, kaboom, Scorp's energy. I feel like this person wants to come in. They're exploding here. Show me the Hermit. Page of Wands. Yeah, this person is starting to realize, like, I really do need to say something. I can't stay in hermit mode. Yeah, look at what they're feeling. The Lovers here. Gemini energy. What's that King of Wands? Show me. Three of Pentacles, wanting to sit down, talk, wanting to meet up, to talk about this. Okay, what do they want to talk about? Four of Swords. Why they haven't been communicating with you, and also Four of Swords, to heal it. Like, let's talk about healing this, okay? Yeah, Two of Swords. I don't know how you're gonna feel, but I do want to talk about this, Pisces. What's that Nine of Wands? Show me. The Five of Pentacles. They don't want to be left out in the cold. They don't want this to be a missed opportunity here. Yeah, it could be a Taurus. Hierophant is here. They're wanting to take this to a level of a long-term committed relationship or even marriage, okay? I feel like they're also leaning on spirit. They could be praying or meditating. This could be a very highly intuitive person or very spiritual person as well. What is this person wanting to say to Pisces? Anything else that this person is wanting to say? Yeah, I have a lot of regrets. Five of Cups from the past. I'm sorry. Seven of Wands for putting up a guard here. Yeah. And Three of Cups. Hopefully I can reconcile with you. Three of Cups. I'm ready to be loyal. I'm ready to be that stable partner that you can depend on. King of Pentacles. Okay. Wow. Anything else that this person wants to say? What is this person wanting to say to Pisces at this time? Look at that. I don't want to lose you. Could be a music lover, a dancer, a social butterfly. They could love this about you as well. I'm toxic, not good for you. This is what I'm feeling. They don't know if this person did something to betray you. They don't know how you're going to react, but they want to come in to apologize. Look at that. Because they still have feelings for you. Look, I still have feelings for my ex. And I feel like they are afraid that you're getting over them, that you don't love them anymore. But they're hoping that you still have feelings for them. Look, because I want you, Pisces. I desire you. I still have that fire and passion for you. Alrighty, Pisces, that is your energy. Bye.